this video, I will show you how to verify your OctaFX account. So all you have to do, go to your profile section on the top right corners and go to your account or this option, account log. And then guys, this is for account log. Just go to this profile option and then you will see this option, verified state, not verified. Click get verified option. From this option verified, just await. You will see let's get verified. Provide your identity document. Click continue with this device and then write I confirm and I have read privacy notice notification and then click continue. After that, choose your country here and then choose your type of document you want to verify. For example, driving license or ID card or resident or passport. If you have ID card, select this one, then click continue. So these some tips to upload your colored photo of a file. Take a photo with Lightroom and then don't edit the image of your document and then click continue. From here, you should be enable your phone camera and you will be allow camera access to continue this verification. Make sure upload high quality ID to guys to make sure to verify your account. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content.